Hello from Vision Tech Shop, and we'll go over data backup and restore by using USB drive. You can backup and restore the scale data by using USB drive. You can use this function to copy the data from a scale to another scale. To backup the scale data, press blue menu key, then press number 4 key to enter print, reports, and data. Press number 4 key to enter manage data. Insert the black USB drive to the port underneath the keypad. Press number 1 key to enter backup. Press blue 4 key to select the desired backup data. To backup all data, select number 7 backup all by pressing print key. All data will be saved in the USB drive after backup complete prompt pops up. USB drive will have folder named scale data with files shown above. To restore the scale data, press blue menu key, then press number 4 key to enter print, reports, and data. Press number 4 key to enter manage data. Press number 3 key or blue 4 key, then print key to enter restore. Press blue 4 key to select the desired restore data. To restore all data, select number 7 restore all by pressing print key. All data will be restored from the USB drive. After restore complete, prompt pops up. Check if all the scale data has been restored. If you want to delete the scale data, press blue menu key, then number 4 key, then number 4 key, then number 3 key to enter delete. Press blue 4 key to select the desired data to delete. To delete all data, press print key and number 7 delete all, then blue 4 key for yes, then print key to confirm. Warning window will pop up, and when the pop-up disappears, all data are deleted. Press green save key to go back to the main screen. After the delete process, the scale data will be cleared up. Thank you for choosing Vision Tech Shop. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.